Wait, like seriously? A young man goes to pick up a waybill, and inside the package, unknown to him, was a pistol. He tells the police officer that he was deceived. He even offers to take the police officer to Sapele to identify the person involved. But without any proper investigation, without any proper arrest procedure, without any proper court hearing, he's shot dead in broad daylight. Now let me walk you through what the law says. This is Car Floor Hall, serving you your daily dose of law without the legalese. Under Section 33 of the 1999 Constitution, every Nigerian citizen is entitled to right to life, and that right cannot be taken away except in very limited circumstances, such as the lawful execution of a court sentence or reasonable force used in self-defense. Also, under Section 36 of the 1999 Constitution, every person accused of a crime has a right to fair hearing. This means that the person is presumed innocent until proven guilty by a court of law and not by a police officer on the streets that is not even wearing uniform. When a law enforcement officer kills a suspect without trial, without immediate threats, because he was already handcuffed, and without lawful justification, that act amounts to extrajudicial killing. Extrajudicial killing simply means killing of a person without the due process of law. Even if the person is suspected of committing their crime, even if the person was caught in the act in flagrante delicto, even if a weapon was found, that person must still be arrested, investigated, and charged to a court of competent jurisdiction. Police officers aren't judges, and they are not executioners. Taking laws into one's hands destroys the very justice system that is meant to protect us all. And it is not right. In situations like this, the family of the deceased can demand investigation, accountability, and justice through lawful channels. I heard the police officer has been arrested, but that is not enough. Justice must not be done. It must be seen to have been done. But beyond individual cases, incidents like this raise a bigger issue: the need for the urgent reform, a total overhaul of the Nigerian police force. The reform must include better training, better orientation, strict accountability, respect for human rights, and consequences for police officers who abuse power. Justice is not justice when it is delivered from a barrel of a gun. A civilized society is one where laws are obeyed, even by those sworn to enforce it. No one deserves to die without due process of law. Remember, you have to stay informed, you have to stay empowered, and you have to stay on the right side of the law. Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Cheers, guys.